What's up, guys? This is Mark with Trendline Traders. Today is Monday, August 16th, 2021, and today I'm going to be going over my trades. A decent green day, not as big as I hoped. It's a Monday, August. Last week was a mess, slow movement, spontaneous action. Today was much of the same. In the pre-market, there really wasn't anything I was watching to the open. NAOV, which is one of my trades from today, was on my watch list, but pre-market it was kind of just grinding. It did have a nice little pop-up right before the bell, so that gave me a little bit of an interest. At the bell, I didn't do any trades. It popped up right here. It came down. I had opportunity to get in right here. I didn't take it. Ended up ripping. So at this point, I'm looking to reposition. The next trade that I missed, I wish I took, was this almost double bottom right here. You're basically risking the opening price, which is always support. For like a breakout. So you're basically risking a couple pennies to make half a dollar, and that's basically what happened. It went without me. I had a little bit of FOMO. Everything else was kind of failing, so I didn't really have the confidence. Bitcoin was going down, the SPY was going down, the IWN, small caps were going down, so I really wasn't too confident. But I believe my first trade on NAOV was this almost double bottom right here. Caught a little trade, sold up there. Another little double bottom right here. Caught the bounce. I didn't have the patience or kind of the intuition to really size in. And of course, I missed this move right here. I stopped trading. I basically sold everything right here. So, kind of unfortunate. Who could have really seen this happen? Like, stuff like this is just kind of out of the blue. It's kind of luck. But, from there, I just didn't touch it. I'm up $366 on it. Just not really a big winner. I traded some pretty good size. I think I got like 10,000 shares in this dip. But it just wasn't moving like I wanted to. And then it started to really open up. But, some of these kind of bear traps, you got a bottom right here. It actually breaks the bottom and then comes right back up. So kind of faked out the bulls. Anyways, from there, it's been moving pretty nicely. A bit of a rollover, but then seems like it's kind of caught its footing again. I believe it's coming back up. So that's pretty good. On to the next trade here, AMC. I'm actually looking at my other monitor. I got AMC on, and it seems like it's actually much higher, not much higher, but decently higher from entry. I traded this one around VWAP, so as you can see on the 1 minute, we have a triple bottom, almost a quadruple bottom at VWAP. So, as you guys know, VWAP is a widely accepted and used indicator for day trading and even swing trading. So as you can see, you got one bottom here around VWAP, not exactly, but I believe I got a dip right here. And I was just catching every single one of these dips. Again, up $424. It's not a whole lot, but I'm just scalping these moves. Buying the bottom, it pops up. Again, it's 1 o'clock at this time. At that time, it was noon on a Monday, and you have no obvious stock. Obviously, people are just probably boredom trading, so kind of just catching on to that. Again, I had a nice entry down here as well, but I sold a little bit too soon. Again, it got choppy, and personally, I thought I was going to roll over, but it looks like it's holding up pretty well. I got two smaller trades in my Lightspeed account on ENLV. I think this was a unhalt trade earlier in the day. I had a nice move. Pre-market, the chart was a little bit crazy looking, but at the open, see how far I gotta scroll back here in the 10-second. At the open, a bit illiquid, light volume. All of a sudden, it comes up on my scanner, pops up, a little micro pullback. A lot of these like whipping candles, but probably just big orders, and then it finally goes up. I get an order somewhere like the 90s, and I sell it right away at the open. And what do you know? It's the high of day. So little trade right there, and then my last trade's on MAGS. A small little winner. Again, this one's actually coming up more. I wish I bought it in this consolidation, but I saw on the scanner, had some news. I got a little trade through 5, so I think I was in like the 90s and sold into the pop. So definitely I'm watching a few tickers right now. It seems like the morning was kind of just a big mess. No volume really, nothing obvious. But we got AMC coming up. It's actually moving quite nicely. All these dips on AMC are very valid. Even these dips after the bottoming out, all these dips right here just give nice pops. You can just scalp this for days. And of course, NAOV also coming up. Honestly, I think a lot of this is just boredom trading, just stocks with little to no news, just kind of just popping up and people kind of just hopping on it. I guess that's what momentum trading is, but there's not like a clean setup where it's, you know, news in the morning and at the open you have a nice setup. It's kind of just like chopping around. Again, I missed this entry on NAOV, but I caught these bottom wicks and eventually it did go higher. I was right about it going higher. Just honestly, wasn't expecting, you know, it to be grinding. I thought it would just kind of whip around, but being green is being green. You know, it's a Monday, so up $845.51. Pretty good green day. If you guys like the video, make sure to press the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.